We will not tolerate any drug menace in the state. We have almost booked and got our hands on the main drug peddlers in Goa, says Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. NCP busted an international drug cartel in Goa and arrested two Russian 1980 Olympic silver medalist women swimmer and former policeman along with Indian and seized various drugs including cocaine and charas. The operation was conducted by NCP's Goa unit over the past 2 weeks, an official said on Saturday. However, CM said that drug menace will not be tolerated in Goa. Watch.
ड्रग्साच्यो केसीस ज्यो आसा तुमी जर पळयत जाल्यार फाटल्या तुमी 4 वर्सां काडून पळयत जाल्यार मेन पॅडलराक आमी सोदीत आसा खरें म्हणजे ओके त्या खातीर ह्यो केसीस टायम टू टायम आमी ड्रग्स धरता तांकां भितर उडयता बट फक्त एक कितें तेंची मायनर क्वॉन्टिटी आसल्या कारणान इट इज बेलेबल ऑफेन्सीस सकयल सुट्टा वता बट त्या खातीर मेन जे डिलर्स आसा ते ड्रग्स गोंयांतल्यान हद्दपार करपा खातीर आमचे ANC डिपार्टमेंट अलॉंग वीथ ऑल द डिपार्टमेंट क्रायम आसतले परत बाकीचे पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट सगळ्यांच्या बरोबर मिळून काम करता त्या खातीर तेजेर कंप्लीट विजिलन्स जे आसा त्या ड्रग्साचेर
Based on the tip off that a Russian drug cartel was actively operating in Arambol and its adjoining areas in Goa, a probe was launched. As per intelligence inputs, a Russian woman named S. Varagnova was found involved in supplying drugs to foreign nationals. During the investigation, we also received information that led to identification of a local man named Akash, said the NCP official. Story by Clinton D'Souza for Herald.